Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Kia Sportage. We need to replace the front rotors and brake pads. So first thing we're gonna go ahead and lift up your car. Take a jack stand. After it's lifted high enough, support it with the jack stand. Safety first. Good. Making sure it's on a pinch weld right there. Next up, let's remove the wheel. That our wheel is removed, there is 5 21mm nuts holding it. We're gonna go ahead and turn our wheel all the way to the right to get the better access behind the brake caliper. After that we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood to access the brake fluid reservoir. Our brake fluid reservoir is right here. We're gonna undo this cap so we can release the pressure when we're pushing the brake piston back. Here we go. We have 17mm deep socket holding the brake caliper. One bolt here, one bolt down here. Once this is removed, you can go ahead and hang it up. Undo those Phillips screws holding the rotor. Remove the rotor, replace it with the new one. You can go ahead and remove those brake pads from the caliper. Now turn that brake caliper around. You will find two 40mm holding the bracket. Unbolt this. Now that the bracket is removed, we're gonna go ahead and use an old brake pad and the brake piston tool to compress the piston back. Next thing on the bracket, once we have this piston pushed all the way in, we're gonna go ahead and remove the old hardware and install our new clean ones so the brake pads can freely slide. New hardware and pads are inserted into brake bracket. Now we can place this one over here, slide it back on place. Reinstall our two 40mm bolts. Alrighty, brake caliper is back on. 70mm here and in the bottom. Let's go ahead and tighten them down. Brake caliper reinstalled. Time to turn the wheel straight and install the wheel. Wheel is back on. Now we can remove our jack stand and lower our car. And our brake pads and rotors are replaced on that side. Now it's time to go hop on the other side and do exactly the same thing. So hopefully you find this video helpful. Save you money, do it yourself. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you guys.